Currently, I'm the chairperson of ladies football. Been chair for 2 years and I'm running into my third year. The first thing I did was join the nursery with Pat Sheridan and Yvonne Burke, and then I moved on to pitch coordination, which for a club this size is a very difficult job. And then I became secretary of the club, and I was secretary for about 5 years. Then the chairperson stepped down a couple of years ago, and it was the first time I volunteered in the true sense. I put my hand up and said, yeah, okay, I'll go and be chairperson. I have 3 daughters. My eldest daughter, Callie-Anne, works in Brussels, and she's playing camogie with Brussels GAA.
And they have a camogie over in Brussels?
They're both. They have a big festival, and that's them at the big festival. And then this one is Inessa. She was secretary of Ho Chi Minh Gaels. And whatever about the football, all they wanted was to get their greeting on RTE for, you know, when they do that on the toy show. So they were on the toy shows. That's the 5 of them on the toy shows. From Ho Chi Minh Gaels, yeah. Third daughter plays here. She played a couple of years ago, and now she's in Barbados. And with the help of a couple of people, they've set up a GAA club. We've lots of different things going on all day in the club. It is very much the heart of the community. Our numbers on the ladies' side have exploded. When I started this job, we had 400 girls in total, and now I have 1,200, and that's down to the effort the club has made. The first time we got to Croke Park, the All-Ireland final 2 years ago, I mean, we qualified out on that pitch, and we were walking around the pitch in this trance. After all the work that the girls had done, and after all the work the management team had done, that we'd finally got to that final hurdle. On the day, it didn't work out as we hoped, but, you know, these things happen. The organisation by volunteers all over the country around all ladies sports, and the development that it's had, and the benefits for women in sport now, like, I wish I'd had that. People always say, it's not about you, Marie. It's not about me. Like the previous incumbent who got this in this club was John Sheridan, who started ladies football, and he's beyond legendary. It's a whole community. It's not me. I'm eternally grateful to all the women around me, and most of them are women. No, it was such an honour.